Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to open bootloader mode on your Samsung Galaxy A12. So let's get started. So switch off your smartphone by holding the volume down and power button. This will you power down the volume holding down the power and volume down button for a second, and this will power off your device, preparing for the next step. And if we talk about the next step, and that is press volume up and press power keys. Press the volume up and power keys together for a short while, for a short time, and this will initiate the next step, such as entering recovery mode or booting up the device. And after this, release buttons upon recovery mode logo will appear, and when the recovery mode logo appear on the screen, this indicate that your device is now in recovery mode and ready for further actions. And after that, you can select reboot to bootloader by using the volume key to navigate through the option and power button key to confirm your selection. This will initiate the bootloader process on your device. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.